Hello, I'm Nick. If you have some nice product to sell and you're looking for a good-looking vending machine, I have something to recommend. Here with me is a 55-inch touchscreen vending machine, and there is no slave box, so it's a slim body, and the card reader is installed at the side. Opening the vending machine. Inside is spire slot, and we can customize the good tray based on your product packing. Shopping flow of this vending machine. Click to buy. We can change to another page and select a product.
Activate your card from your mobile phone.
Tap the credit card.
Thank you.
Now we can grab our product. If you are interested in such a vending machine, contact us for more information. Together, let's step into the new era of unmanned retail. Micron Smart Vending.